In the studio, vibrant text bursts onto the screen. Unlock the power of Google Gemini for studying. The host appears, radiating enthusiasm, introducing Google Gemini as a tool to revolutionize students' study habits. Google Gemini is portrayed as the ultimate tool for students, enabling smarter studying, faster research, and superior essay writing. In the digital realm, a daunting math problem meets its match as Google Gemini unveils the solution with sleek precision. A voice proclaims, Gemini provides explanations, answers, and additional learning resources. Animated graphics dance across the screen, underscoring the effortless efficiency of Gemini for homework. In the sterile research environment, the hum of advanced technology sets a stage for the unveiling of Google Gemini's capabilities. The monitor showcases highlighted text and animated summaries, vividly illustrating Gemini's ability to supercharge your research with AI. Beside the screen, an energetic host proclaims, Gemini can quickly summarize articles, extract key points, and provide credible sources, saving you valuable time and effort. On the screen, Google Gemini refines an essay draft, showcasing its prowess in grammar and vocabulary enhancement. The host proclaims, Gemini helps with essay structure and vocabulary. Within the digital realm of the organizational interface, Google Gemini crafts a personalized study plan, illuminating the screen with the promise of AI-driven organization. The host declares, Gemini creates study timetables, sets reminders, and manages deadlines. As the video concludes, the host passionately advocates for Google Gemini, igniting a spark of curiosity and excitement in the viewers. In a final, galvanizing moment, viewers are urged to embrace the future by liking, subscribing, and commenting as the screen bursts with dynamic animations. The booms with a final call to action. Try Google Gemini today.